Howdy, soonerJHtravels, John here. Today we're going to review another product that these people have kindly sent us. It's a little ladder for older dogs to get up into the van or truck, the ones that can't, jump up anymore. It looks pretty good. Let me show you here. Here it is in the box. So you can see it all folds down pretty compact. What else is in here? Well, they give you some Allen wrench and screw. But let's see what this thing will do. Actually, this is pretty nice. Excuse my dirty van, but as you can see, I've got this sitting right here on the edge. I've unfolded it, and it's become like steps. So, yeah, that should work for any dog that needs to get up into a van or an RV. And now comes the moment of truth. Well, you don't have to go jump like that. Let's see. Go up the steps. Come here. Come on. Come here. Come here, baby. Let's go up the steps. There you go. So see? Come on down now. Come on. Come on down the steps. Come on, you can. Let's go up there. Let's go up there. Come on. Come on. Go up. Get up. All right. Okay. Come on down. Come on down. No, you don't have to go jump like that. Let's see. Go up the steps. Come here. Come on. Come here. So see? Come on down now. Come on. Come on down the steps. And there you have it. My review on I call it a doggy ladder. They've been watching the videos of mine with Yuki and decided to send me one to review, and I'm glad they did, because I think it would be helpful to Yuki when she gets a lot older and is not able to hop up there. So you guys check it out. If you like it, here's some more info on it, and thank you very much to Sakar Plus for this product. I think it's a fine product. Thank you.